In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all messages on Discord DMs. Now, before we get started, it's important to understand something about how Discord works. Discord does not have a built-in delete all button for entire direct message conversations. Every message has to be removed individually, and there's no official way to bulk delete a full DM thread in one click. What we can do, though, is walk through the proper way to clear out your side of a conversation as quickly and safely as possible, while keeping your account secure and within Discord's rules. First, open Discord, either on your desktop app or in your browser, and make sure you're logged into the correct account. On the left-hand side, you'll see your list of servers, and next to that, your list of direct messages. Find the DM conversation you want to clear and click on it to open the chat. Inside the DM, scroll to the first message you want to delete. When you hover your mouse over a message you sent, you'll see a small toolbar appear to the right of that message. Look for the three-dot icon, often called the More Options button, and click on it. From the small menu that appears, choose the Delete option. Discord will then ask you to confirm that you want to delete that message. Click Delete again to finalize it. That message is now removed from the conversation on your side. To clear more messages, repeat that same process. Hover over a message you sent. Click the three dots, select Delete, and confirm. It can take a bit of time if you have a very long conversation, but this is the official and safest method. If you want to move a little faster, you can also right-click on your own message and choose Delete directly from the context menu, then confirm. Remember, you can only delete messages that you yourself have sent. You cannot permanently remove messages sent by the other person. Those will remain visible to them. Also, be cautious about using bots, scripts, or browser extensions that claim to mass delete messages automatically. Many of these methods violate Discord's terms of service and can put your account at risk of suspension or termination. Once you've deleted the messages you want to remove, you can leave the DM as is, or simply close it from your recent messages list. That's all there is to it. Carefully, manually clearing your Discord DMs while keeping your account safe and compliant.